Welcome back to StarLoop News, where the glitz and glamour of Hollywood meets the untold stories behind the scenes. Today, we're taking a deeper look into one of the most beloved TV shows in American history, I Love Lucy. But as fans continue rewatching those classic black and white episodes, many are beginning to notice things that weren't meant to be seen. Things that point to a very different reality than the one we were shown on screen. In 1951, when television was still a novelty in American homes, Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz weren't just launching a sitcom, they were challenging the very norms of entertainment. CBS had wanted to adapt Ball's hit radio show, My Favorite Husband, into a TV series. But Lucy had one condition: her real-life husband, Desi Arnaz, had to play her on-screen partner. Executives balked. They claimed that a Latin man didn't fit the image of a typical American husband. But Lucy didn't flinch. "We are married," she told them. And with that, the battle lines were drawn. To prove their chemistry to skeptical sponsors and studio heads, Ball and Arnaz launched a vaudeville tour at their own expense. It worked. Audiences were won over by their magic. CBS relented, and I Love Lucy was born. But from day one, it was a gamble. Not only was the couple breaking barriers with an interracial marriage on screen, but they were also redefining how television was made. Unlike other shows, I Love Lucy was filmed in Hollywood, shot on 35mm film with a live studio audience thanks to Desi's bold decisions. When CBS refused to cover the added costs, the couple took a pay cut in exchange for ownership of the show. That single decision turned them into syndication pioneers and millionaires. The show wasn't just funny, it was revolutionary. From Lucy's relentless attempts to break into showbiz to Ricky's frustrated reactions, the Ricardos mirrored the real-life struggles of Lucille and Desi. Their on-screen fights echoed tensions in their own marriage, which was already fraying from Desi's infidelities and constant travel. Lucy thought working together would keep their bond strong, but behind the laughter was heartbreak. Their marriage unraveled even as their show topped the ratings. And it wasn't just the Ricardos with drama. Vivian Vance, who played Ethel, had a love-hate relationship with co-star William Frawley. Off camera, they couldn't stand each other. She thought he was an old drunk. He called her a sack full of doorknobs. When CBS offered them a spin-off called Fred and Ethel, Vance flatly refused even when offered a $50,000 bonus. But the real danger wasn't just emotional, it was physical. In one infamous episode, Lucy stomps grapes for a movie role in Italy. What viewers didn't know was that her Italian co-star didn't understand the scene was scripted. When Lucy accidentally hit her, the woman fought back, dragging Lucy underwater and choking her. It wasn't acting. Ball nearly drowned in a vat of grapes. And in another episode, real Civil War-era handcuffs were used on set. They were sharp, rusted, and dangerous. Hidden ace bandages protected Lucy and Desi's wrists from serious injury, but only just barely. And when Lucille Ball became pregnant, in real life, a new scandal erupted. CBS panicked. They didn't even want the word pregnant spoken on television. Scripts were vetted by a Catholic priest, a Protestant minister, and a rabbi just to make it acceptable to air. The network refused to let reality shine through, but audiences didn't care. When the episode Lucy Goes to the Hospital aired, the same night Lucy gave birth in real life, over 44 million people tuned in. That's more than watched President Eisenhower's inauguration the very next day. I Love Lucy changed everything, from syndication to reruns, from production to storytelling. It set the standard for every sitcom that followed. And Lucille Ball? She wasn't just a pioneer of comedy, she became the first female head of a major Hollywood studio. She paved the way for women in entertainment and proved that behind the laughs could be real power. Even today, I Love Lucy continues to air worldwide. But as we peel back the curtain, we see that the story behind the show is just as compelling, sometimes even more shocking than the one we saw on screen. If you love discovering the secrets behind Lucy and Desi's iconic journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to StarLoop News, and ring the notification bell so you never miss the untold truths of Hollywood's biggest legends. And hey, drop a comment below and tell us your favorite I Love Lucy moment. We'd love to hear it. Until next time, keep the StarLoop spinning.